the deadliest, the most crazy saltwater creature in the world.
This is the Peacock Mantis Shrimp.
Right there, if you look at that too.
Oh my gosh, he's perfect size. Look at them all. Look at all those. Something like that being inside the house. Yo,
Cuffaro.
what the?
We got a delivery for you if you could sign off on this.
Yeah, be very careful with that. Dude, I just literally drove 400 miles. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we get the deadliest, the most crazy saltwater creature in the world. I got a couple facts about this Peacock Mantis Shrimp. They are just some beautiful creatures. Fact number one, how strong is a mantis shrimp punch? Now, these mantis shrimp literally punch their prey prior to eating them. Knocks them out, and then they eat the crab.
His spring-loaded clubs strike 50 times faster than we can blink.
You're gonna see a lot of those feedings on my channel here once we get this mantis shrimp, and one of the upcoming videos we feed it. So hit the subscribe button, don't miss that. With front claws that deliver an explosion at 60 miles per hour. 60 miles an hour, BAM! Crab's dead. The speed of the shrimp strike has been compared to that of a bullet leaving the barrel of a pew. We can't say
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Next fact, can a mantis shrimp break your finger? You're gonna see a little bit more of this in the video today. Let's just put it this way without reading all that. Yes, it could break your finger. These thumb splitters, literally, is what it says. Awesome, so don't put your hand by this thing. What happens if a mantis shrimp punches you? Mantis shrimp's punch has the same acceleration. Acceleration.
Paul's stupid.
I knew that was gonna be the word, so I knew it.
As a 22 caliber bullet, delivering a blow of 15,000 newtons, a force equal to more than 2,500 times the shrimp's weight. Just like that, you know?
No.
22 caliber, right to the dome.
Oh.
Don't mess with the mantis shrimp, you crabs and shrimp out there. What animal is the strongest punch in the world? Mantis shrimp. I mean, the mantis shrimp packs the strongest punch of any creature in the animal kingdom. That's incredible. And that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Now you know a little bit more about a mantis shrimp. The way they punch is just, it's so cool. Without further ado, you ready to go get this mantis shrimp, Cuffaros? Because I tell you what, I've been waiting months. I'm ready. Let's do it. Oh!
There you go.
But first, real quick, we're gonna go to the farm and feed the animals.
Hey, little mallard. Suzanne. Pigs.
Welcome back to the farm, Cuffaros.
Hey, what's going on, baby duck?
Gary! Yes, we are getting that today.
Where's Kevin? Kevin? Oh, Kevin. What up, Kev? Hey, Bubba. What's going on, bud? There you go. Everything is really flooded.
It must have rained really hard around here. Look at the mud pit.
It starts all the way back there and goes all the way to here. Look at all these goats. Hey, mama. Goats.
You don't care about me when there's food around.
Look at Lady Matt. You happy? There you go. It is dry up in there.
Now that the animals have eaten, let's go get this mantis shrimp. We are here at the aquarium shop where this mantis shrimp, Peacock Mantis Shrimp to be exact, is apparently located. I got a text from my boy Scuba Steve over here, and he said, no, actually he said nothing. He just sent me a picture of the shrimp, and I was like, oh my goodness. So we drove 2.5 hours. Now we're here.
This place has a lot
To show us. But yeah, let me get straight to the point here. Let's see the mantis shrimp.
Right there, if you look at that too.
Oh my gosh, he's perfect size.
Look at that thing right there, and look at this. Sold PC. Yeah. There he is, boys and girls. We've been looking for one of you for,
I'd say a solid like 3 or 4 months.
he's got some shrimp in here to eat.
So literally you gotta be careful. Break my finger.
So when they hit, basically what he does is when he hits, he actually has a swing that's so fast he actually creates an air void behind the hammer.
Yeah.
Which is like, I think it reaches like the temperature of the sun. Like it's literally what you're hearing isn't the hit, you're hearing the sonic boom of the hit.
Okay. Yeah, don't hold underneath the bag. You hear that?
Look at that thing. Right next to our mantis shrimp. Oh my gosh, dude.
We're taking a mantis shrimp. Oh my gosh, it's about time.
Oh, look at that little guy. Hey dude, what are you doing? There it is. It's dangling. Oh! I mean, don't even get me started. If you want to go over to the coral section, we could be here all day. A bunch of little triggerfish. You can catch those out at the bridge as well. Look at them all. Look at all those. So many. Lots of different fish to pick from, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, look how pretty those ones are. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, but those aren't the thick ones.
No, you're just gonna have to triple bag it. What's up? How you doing? What's up? So it is almost about time to bag up our mantis shrimp. I know we haven't been here long, but I've shown y'all guys this shop before. It's awesome. As a matter of fact, before we bag it up, I want to show you the fish tanks because we're planning on doing something really big January of next year. It's when the day is planned, at least. That's gonna be awesome. We've been talking about it for a while, but things are just kind of going back and forth between both teams here, both the PC team and the Top Shelf team. So we're gonna get everything set in stone, but we plan on maybe January, something like that, being inside the house. Our largest saltwater tank, that would be.
And their eyesight is like super, like they actually see in ultraviolet. They have one of the best eyesights in the world.
These eyes detect more colors than any creature on Earth and see polarized light.
Just sounds like a dangerous creature to me.
Yeah, so put it in your tank.
Oh, he's out. He's out. Look at him or her, I don't know. I'm gonna get some real close-ups once we get home. There he goes. Oh, that shrimp just made the worst decision of his life getting in there with him.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be tonight's dinner.
Buddy would have survived, but he got straight up taken with him. Snacked.
Believe it or not, if you actually put multiple of these, the bigger one will hunt. They're cannibalistic. They'll hunt the other one down.
So if I had a bigger mantis inside the sand, they'll literally...
The bigger one will hunt the smaller one.
Oh, look at you, you lunatic.
Yeah, that's the scary part, is spinning him. Oh yeah, they can, like, he can full 360. Like, you'll see him twist himself in like a U.
Yeah.
And 360 on himself.
Look at those colors. Beautiful.
And once you get him like really nice, well fed, under good lighting, he'll actually get like this greenish tone to him. They're beautiful.
Steve also said that the tank we have is, and I mentioned it too as we walked up on it, was literally the perfect size.
Yeah.
Because this is a smaller one for sure. He's gonna grow and we'll have to upgrade our tank eventually at some point. But for now, he's definitely a smaller size mantis. All right, we got our mantis shrimp. Go, Daniel, go. It's raining. All right, put the camera away because I gotta go. Did you get punched by the mantis shrimp while I was gone? No. You good?
Yeah.
Let's go home. Oh. You're recording, hi. We're about an hour and 35 minutes in. We still got another hour and 15 to go. Shrimp sleeping in the back. Sleeping back there. Again, check out the map. We have an hour and 13 minutes till we get back to Jupiter, Florida. So, till then. Yo, what the?
I've got a delivery for you.
This is my friend Brenton. He's from Texas, and I have no clue why he is dressed like this, or even in Florida at the moment. But it looks like he's brought me a surprise package to deliver? I don't know what's going on.
Sign off on this really quick for me. Hey, how's it going, sir?
Dude, what?
Where the hell
he just pulls up behind me and he
I have to go, so if you
I'm
could
sorry,
sign.
Brenton.
There was a lot of money in that van.
All right, well, Brenton's at my house. I don't know how the heck he got here. I have a mantis shrimp if you want to see it. Look at this man's outfit. What are you wearing, bro?
I was tracking you, by the way, all day long.
I was in Orlando, bro.
Yeah, you were a ways away. I was pretty angry when we landed.
So this UPS driver that showed it to my house, Brenton, said that he has something in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
What? Oh, I gave you the wrong package. This is somebody else's.
Oh, we can go and...
Yeah, be very careful with that. Do you have a room that's secure with fish? They told me to ask you that for something.
Dude, there's water. It's like I open it and there's a mantis shrimp inside here and I just drove 7 hours for an absolutely no reason. That'd be awesome.
There's something cool in there though, not gonna lie.
All right, well, I'm gonna let my mantis shrimp right there don't punch me. It'll punch me.
Yeah.
Acclimate. What's going on, man? Wow. What is this?
I don't know.
Am I gonna open this? It's gonna be something like...
It might explode. Yeah, I'd do that.
Are you kidding me? I spent so much money on that shrimp! I overnighted it for $300! Yesterday from Austin, Texas! I drove from Dallas to Austin and overnighted it! And you bought one today! Dude, there's no way. I told Jake I was like, the only thing that can mess this up is if Paul got one. I said that to the camera! Dude, I just literally drove 400 miles.
I ordered a mantis shrimp and it got delayed, so I canceled it, and I could only find one in Austin, Texas, so I drove to Austin. Me and Ben picked it up from the Urban Rescue Ranch. He was part of the whole thing. We picked it up, FedExed it for $300. I'm not stressing. I'm good. I'm good. Overnight to here, picked it up this morning with a U-Haul, and waited.
Oh my, when I opened it and I saw the freaking feet, I was like. So Brenton, what do we do now? We have 2 mantis shrimps and it's 12 o'clock at night.
Let them fight.
I went from not being able to find a mantis shrimp for like 3 months to having 2 at the same exact time in my fish room. I just tried to do something nice. Look how big that thing is.
It's really expensive.
And when Brenton walks out, hi, can you sign this paper, please? And he brings me a mantis shrimp. I just drove 400 miles, 7 hours.
I was really wondering what you were
For
doing
that.
there.
Okay, so the plan is real talk.
My biggest fear was it was gonna be dead.
Watch it punch you. It's gonna punch you through that bag.
Oh yeah, no, that's why we bagged it so many times.
I apologize, brother.
No apologies.
Video 100 times better, I feel.
We got a mantis shrimp! Everyone, round of applause. All right, let's put my new mantis shrimp in the tank. Huh? Let's do it. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, yeah, baby. And there's a shrimp and a crab. Oh my gosh, look at him kick, look at him kick, look at him kick. Look at the colors on that thing, dude. He is beautiful. Like, I mean, I gotta get my phone out to get a closer shot. There's the other one. I mean, I can't believe this just happened, dude. Like, and this is what happens when you make real videos.
Yeah.
Like, this is real. Look at the shrimp that buried himself right beneath him, literally. That is a creepy crawler, let me tell you. Look at the little feet moving. Oh my goodness. That is crazy looking. Oh. He's feeling himself. Buddy, you are awesome looking.
Yep, so was mine.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's a big one. Now, you actually want this, right?
Yeah, no, I definitely want them now.
Saying it on my channel for so long that I needed one and I was looking for one, and that's why you were probably going out of your way, huh?
Yeah.
What a great friend you are.
Really went out of my way.
There he is. Dude, look at the colors with the white bucket. There ain't nothing much prettier than that, dude.
Yeah, no one's scared. It's, you know.
So this mantis shrimp has a little house for the night. He's got some salt water plus what he was in the bag. Chilling right there. Filter going. I'll put a top on it, and then you can take him home tomorrow.
Yeah. I'll do that. I'll take him right back to Texas.
Thanks anyway, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Mantis shrimp day, I guess. Full of mantis shrimp. Look at mine, dude. He's like all tucked up in the rock. I like how he blends in with the rock. It is the next morning, 1 day later. Let's see how everything's doing. I gotta get this starfish to the shop. I'm gonna bring him to the shop, but our mantis shrimp has made 2 holes. One hole being where he's at right now, the other hole is right here. That's a really cool hole he made. There's his face. Such a beautiful, beautiful creature. I mean, how pretty is that? One, the water is crystal clear. 2, that thing is by far the coolest thing I own. I kid you not, this species is my new favorite that I own. It beats anything. Just watching that insane like footage from a documentary and then learning about this, reading facts about it. The Peacock Mantis Shrimp is Paul's new favorite species, creature. It's my new favorite thing in the world. Besides my pigs, of course, come on. I'm sure a lot of you watching by this point could agree the exact same thing, and this was one of the craziest videos I've ever made. The twist that just happened at the end when Brenton shows up.
Man, I wish I had one of those.
You do, it's right there. Oh, speaking about that, we put weight on the top so it couldn't kick out, but see, it's got a little structure, and it's hiding right there under that.
I do have
You're gonna
one.
take him to predatory fins and figure out your whole gist?
Yeah, I got a mantis shrimp now, so it's both of us.
Hey! If you guys enjoyed today's video, please drop a like. Let's see 20,000 likes on this video. Let me know what you want to see me feed this mantis shrimp, crab, invertebrates, squirrel, baby squirrel. No, whatever you want to see me feed them, let me know in the comments down below. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you are new. Make sure to subscribe with your bell on so you do not miss out on any upcoming videos. I love each and every one of you so much. Check out the PC merch, top link in the description. Look at him, you can see his punchers. He's gonna hit, oh, he looks a little frustrated. Dude, the rock color is the perfect rock color for Peacock Mantis Shrimp. It like blends in. This is his tank, and if you're wondering what the heck these are, they're like mangrove plant seeds. As long as they don't touch soil, I guess legally I'm allowed to have them, so hey. Go check out this guy's point of view. He made a video on his channel that's linked down below. If you guys do want to watch that, it's hilarious seeing it from both points of view. See you later, Cuffaros. Peace!